Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to look at our V8 grille emblem for the 55 F-Series trucks. Original exterior chrome parts oxidize in the elements over time, and rechroming originals can be costly and time-consuming. Dennis Carpenter has just a solution for your 55 Ford truck. Pressure die cast and chrome plated just like the Ford originals, they are an exact replacement for your worn or missing emblem. Our emblems are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company, ensuring that the quality meets or exceeds that of the Ford originals. Replacing your emblem with our high-quality replacement will be the perfect finishing touch to your 1955 Ford truck. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.